Hey, let's go over and draw Banban from the Garten of Banban. Alright, let's get started. Gonna go right here, and I'm gonna start kind of with the side of his neck, really. Right there, one side of his neck. Over here on this side, it kind of gets bigger as it goes downward. Like that. Let's go over here for his arm, like the shoulder. Over here on this side. Shoulder on that side. Gonna go over here, kind of at the armpit area, and I'm gonna pull down. Like so. Then over here, basically a parallel line right there. Parallel line means it will never cross over into space. It'll never cross over, pretty much. Over here, same thing. Over here, another parallel line. So basically the inside and the outside of his arm. Cool, cool. Excuse me, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my gosh, hold on. Excuse me, I sneeze off. Yeah, let's go. Oh, sorry, one more. Sorry about that. Okay, no, that's it. Man, that was weird. Curve underneath. By the way, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw something simple, easy for beginners, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I post one of these videos every single day in the morning, and then at night, as a bonus, I post basically iPad drawing lessons at night. Gonna go over here. Curve around the top. Down. Around here. Down. Line right here, right here. We're gonna draw these two birthday hats that he has on his head, pretty much. It's supposed to be horns, but they look like birthday hats, I think they are. Line up over here. Over here on this side, same thing. Gonna pull straight up. If you like this property, by the way, if you like the Garten of Banban, absolutely hit this like button. It helps me kind of like figure out what else to put on the channel, and I'll put a lot more of this if you request it. Line over here. Cool, cool. Let's go over here, kind of a smiley face. Underneath. Curve around. Curve around. Right, so it's the mouth, kind of the smiley face of the mouth. And I'm gonna have the tongue stick out over here before. So, curve underneath. Let's draw a circle over here on this side. Right there, circle. Over here on this side, underneath this hat. Circle as well. Another circle over here for the eye. Curve over here for the eye on the inside, rather the pupil and iris. Let's fill this in. There. Alright. So far, so good, okay? Let's go over here and draw the inner body right here, like the torso. Alright. Go over here now, aiming downward, same thing. Down to the waist. And now let's pull another line down. Alright, cool leg on that side. Draw a line over here for the foot. Up. Over here as well. For the foot. Don't forget, by the way, we have coloring books on Amazon. Go to the very first link. Okay, go to the very first link in the description. You can go check out a coloring book. Coloring kind of goes hand in hand with drawing, because we're basically making our own coloring books when we draw. But it's fun to just kind of get one. Line up. Right there. Kind of U shape. Excuse me. Alright, alright. I'm gonna go over here on this side. Curve. Over here on this side. curve out right here for the hand, and he's kind of got like a spork of a hand, in my opinion. Right? I don't know. That's just the way I see it personally. Over here on this side, his forearm is really big, so we're gonna have a curve right here. Curve right here. Out. That. Line right here. So now we're gonna put the designs on his hat. His two hats, his double hats. So line across. Line right there. See that? Very thin, and I'm drawing it thinner too. It's at an angle and it's kind of wrapping around. Line over here. Just to kind of give it that texture, right? You kind of giving it that feel, that vibe, that kind of energy. If you really want, and I like this, you don't have to do it, is I'm going to fill in the mouth. And the reason I want to do that is because I think it gives it a little bit more contrast, meaning like little, the differences between lights and darks is a contrast. Right there. And one last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually draw a thicker line on the outside of this entire character. The reason I want to do that, just a thicker line only on the outside. You don't have to do that. I just like doing that because I think it gives it a lot more of a focus to the actual character. So I tend to do that. It kind of makes it look a little bit like a sticker. Don't forget, if you want to learn how to draw, you know, like cute, or if you want to learn how to draw anything like chibi, I have an ebook, a completely free ebook in the description over there on how to draw chibi. Basically goes with the proportions, right? Like what is cute exactly? It has nothing to do with how big or small like one particular thing is, right? You know, because we're on a page here, we have to like show scale on a piece of paper. So what it is proportion, like big compared to small on certain features and comparing each other on the exact same. I'm gonna do a little bit more of the eye. So that's kind of what I talk about in that ebook. It's a visual ebook, so you're not really have to read anything. You literally just kind of look at it and you're like, boom, I get it. And it's only like 6 pages. It was something I was selling a while ago, but now it's free. So go pick that up. The link, the only bad part is you have to find the link in the description. That's pretty much the only negative part. Go pick that up if you haven't. Definitely check it out. All right, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Let me know if you want to see any more of the Garten of Banban, and I will totally do it. That is Banban. See ya.